Hello, guys. Welcome back with a website. Oh, this website is like crypto stuff, and this is all without any signing in. So let's launch the terminal directly. So I have an account. I made an account. That's why there's an account. So I'll upload that email, and now let's explore some things. So first of all, it's a terminal. And there's a lot of things all on terminal. Like I'm confused what to do. And there's check yourself. It has an AI. And there's order book, there's price alerts, and it offers paper trading. And it's not real, so I don't have money. What else? So let's go to the paper trading page. So all that money is I added fund in it. It's not about profit. I just went there and just added funds like this and like this. It's now 42. So simple. And you can do spot trading there and it will have future trading. So there's AI research page and it's so simple to get an API. I just got this in 30 seconds, or less than that. And just I made an account and just created one like this. And just like I just clicked OK, and there's your API key. I just copied it and went back to the terminal and just pasted it and just clicked save. It's so simple. And just ask them some questions to AI. This AI is, by the way, especially for crypto stuff or trading stuff. So just I asked him what is RSI. I don't know anything about crypto. That's why I liked that website so much. I just got some new stuff. That's why I like to share it with you. And there's back on the terminal. Next, let's explore some other things also, like practiced and some stuff. Also, like fonts. Yeah, I just asked the developer. And it's so simple to ask anything to developer because he's a new developer and a founder, and he said that this Alchemy ramp is in work. It's in development, so don't use that. And this website has no access to your funds. It does offer paper trading, and it will have amazing kind of stuff in some recent days, and they will update a new thing quickly as soon as possible. And a lot of things I'm just exploring that website. So as you can see, they said this website is like only for paper trading, doesn't hold your funds, and integrated and integration of Alchemy Pay for reals, and this website don't take your money. By this, you can read. Go check out that website. It's so good. And please subscribe to my channel also. Bye.